This is another quick fix, a skirt fix, and really nice material. This, I think, is a cashmere. It was in sale a while back, but it's a classic. It's come apart here, so when I walk, it's quite tight, so when I walk, I've split it. So we're going to have to stick in a ladder stitch there, otherwise it's just going to get worse. So, going around the back, I secure my thread a few times, and so I'm going to do a few more times than 2. I think I've just done 4 there. Nice and secure. So then I'm going to come to the front, and I'm going to create my ladder. So I go into the fold on one side, take it up, cross over directly, and go into the other fold. Now, I might need to do this twice because it really is a point of pressure here. There again, and again. There, it's coming together. As you can see, I have to get the fabric in the right place. So, there. And it's great because it draws the cloth together even if you can't get to the inside of the seam, and I couldn't because it was overlocked into place. And if I cut the overlock stitching, then that starts to unravel. Now I've got to the top, and now I'm going to go over the top a couple of times. This is going to be a bit chunky, but you make a judgment according to whatever fabric you have, and it's not going to be seen. Look at the pattern on this and the thickness of yarn. But I am now going to go to the back and continue doing the same stitch on the inside, so all the fabrics are secure together. Quick finish there. Up to my seam line here. There we are. There's the hemline, and we'll just tie that together too. Oh, I'll just finish that off in a minute. So I go over and over and over. Job done. Took minutes.